Apfel Dr. Germany, good morning, my name is Ben. Hello and welcome to the micro soldering show. We have not seen for a long time because we are full of work here. We're just building ICCs day and night at the moment. It's really, it's really crazy. Yesterday was Sunday and I was in here just to build this beautiful product, ICC. Okay, today in the morning we just start by an iPhone 8, which doesn't boot anymore at all. It just fell down. And after that, customer already tried to change the screen and it doesn't boot anymore at all. The first thing we always do now, just for showing you what we have wonderful here, it's just the ICC. We just plug it in and just having a look if the charging circuit is okay and its green, it's okay. Did you see how fast this works? About 3 seconds and you directly know, do I have an issue with this with the charging circuit or not? Okay, some people asked why can't I test the lightning flex with that ICC? The thing is, we could signalize a broken lightning port by just a blink of all the LEDs. No problem at all. It's just about 10 seconds of work to implement that into this device. But we just don't want that because when you implement this, it could cause wrong test results. So sometimes it would say it's a lightning problem, but it's a TriStar problem. That's the cause why we just didn't implement the lightning port check. Okay, so we open the device. We see there is a screw missing already. I just have to get my screwdrivers. I plug the screws here, no problem at all. Get off the screen, getting out the screws. Just need some tweezers. And we are fine. So now let's just have a look if the device really doesn't boot or where the problem is. Okay. So what happens if we start the device? We see an apple glowing. And I think we have a boot, but yeah, we have a boot and the device is working. Okay, so the customer writes he has problems, he has no boot. So what about that here? What about that here? Why the microscope cam doesn't work? Okay, I clicked the. What about that here? Do you do you see that? This looks really bad. Bad and sad. Ripped up of MOSFET on an iPhone 8. But could this be the problem for no boot? No. Perhaps the screen is broken too. Or they destroyed something on the home button. Let's see. Okay, there are the wrong screws in here. Okay. home button looks good as far as I see. Yeah, it's the original one. We have no torn. U10 looks good. Okay, so I think no boot. Perhaps it's just a screen problem, but what we have to fix in any way is this ripped off MOSFET on this iPhone 8. So we just lose all these FPCs, taking out this, the foam gum, and I hope that we don't have any lag in the video. I think within this week or next week we will build ready my new PC, which is really strong then, and we won't have any problems anymore. Okay, they implemented the video learning area and the tool area on ZXW. Okay. Sorry, really sorry. I was already at the doctor and he said it's no problem at all. It will fly away in about one week or things like that, and the cough has been gone then. Okay, I just want to show you where the problem here is. The problem is in that area and this pad, okay? So that's the problem here. And we just have to jumper that pad and to clean the board in this area. And you see I use the solder iron to clean up first. Then I just take a clean room wipe, some contact cleaner. Yesterday in the evening I ordered again 20 pieces of these contact PCC bottles, 400 milli, and 20 bottles of MTech NC559. Okay, we just need to jumper that. It's no big repair or no problem at all to do that. I just need a knife. Okay. A knife and some jumper wire. A wipe, jumper wire and some flux. Okay. Here is some flux. Good tweezers. I just walked in some minutes before here, so I don't have organized my table at the moment. Okay, why do I have here so many solder tips? Was somebody working at my table? I don't know. Okay, I got it on. Now I need just something to clean here. So I use unisolated wire, like you see. So I need to take a small amount of UV glue, UV solar mask. Just plug it here and then give a little bit of UV light on that. You see, it's really long jumper. You don't need that. Don't need that. Here's some dirt. Do you see it? Just want to get it out. I hate it when tweezers are dirt. Okay. That's it. Just a tiny piece of flux on it. And some solder. Okay. In every video, my contact cleaner is game over. It's going empty. Okay, I think that's okay. And now we can just get up a new MOSFET on there. Here we have MOSFETs. And now we just solder it down. Waiting for the JVC boot. Okay, I just want to get this up here. Come on, baby. So it's much cleaner then. Come on over to me. And you see, soldered down. Just taking a little bit of contact cleaner. Morgen! This is the best, Heidi, the best. Is coming in. Okay. Willst du hoch oder was? Ich kann erfahren. So. now you see it looks really clean. I just want to take one picture. Like this, and now we can just test if it works again. Hat aber eine Minute hast, fahre ich dich. Gehört? Klar. Geh noch in Kuhn und dann fahre ich dich. So, now we can just test if this worked. Beautiful. This ICC is just beautiful. My meaning. So, okay. Now let's just wait. And you see, battery is charging. So not a problem at all. I just want to see if I got a test battery here, which I can use because I don't want to wait as long, but we have 1.1 amps of current flow, so that's nice, but I want to speed up. Just want to speed up for the video, so we take another battery, plug it in, and boom, back to life again with our iPhone 8 after prior repair attempt and a ripped off MOSFET on the board. So the device couldn't charge anymore, and it would be immediately rebooting every minute because SWI can't communicate, and then the device gets no response from the battery and it will just start up again and again. So you see, it works, it boots, and it takes current flow again. All the important data are on the phone. We just have to take a look now if the screen is okay. If it's okay, it's okay, and if not, we will just replace it, but we have to talk to the customer. Okay, I hope you like the video. It's a short basic thing, not a big master job, but at the moment it's really hard for me to do many videos because we have to produce a lot of ICCs and I have to help the others. You see, now we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 microscope places and 6 people who are soldering the whole day, and we will get another one, number 7, and we don't have any space in here, so it's really hard at the moment for us to work here. So I hope you liked the video. If you want to learn things like that, you can easily do that at the Body Level Repair School Germany. And if you're working at a repair industry for smartphones and tablets, you can easily join our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Group Germany. Please answer the questions, otherwise you won't be accepted. I'm out. We see you with the next video. Boom! Back to life again. Here's back.